Python string as file argument to subprocess. I am trying to pass a file to a program, malpro, that I start a subprocess with Python. It most commonly takes a file as argument, like this in console, where filename.x contains the code to execute. Alternatively a bash script, what I'm trying to do but in Python. I'm trying to do the above in Python. I have tried this. So I am pretty sure the input doesn't look enough like a file, but even looking at Python, how do I pass a string into subprocess.popen, using the string argument? I can't find what I'm doing wrong. I prefer not to. Write the string to an actual file. Set shell to true. And I can't change malpro code. Thanks a lot for any help. Update: if anyone is trying to do the same thing, if you don't want to wait for the job to finish, as it doesn't return anything, either way, use p.stin.write command instead.
It seems like your second method should work if you remove sting command from the popen arguments.
I frågan 2 timmar. Plias consider subscribing.